Hi guys! So we're up for another unwrapping and we got goods from box breaks na sinalihan natin with Papi's box break. So kung anong laman ito guys, let's check it out. So yan guys, we got another pack. And as said earlier, ito yung mga loot na nakuha natin from different box breaks with Papi's box break. So big shoutout sa mga kasama natin dyan sa group. And as usual, we got yan yung mga cards natin. We got Utah. So most ng mga kinuha natin ngayon is from the team of NBA team ng Utah, because we're really trying to collect lots of different cards ni Jordan Clarkson. So as you know, ang personal collection natin is Jordan Clarkson and Kobe Bryant. And as you all know, medyo bihira na yung mga Kobe Bryant cards ngayon. So we're here to get mga cards naman ni Jordan Clarkson. So let's start with this one. Donruss International din yung break. And this sa last video natin, I showed you may mga nasalihan na rin tayo ng Donruss International. And as you know, yung mga parallels, no? So different colors for different cards. And this one parang diamond yung design niya. But I think this is just the base card. But this is a rookie card from Keontae George. We got a numbered card. Yeah, so I'm just not sure about this pattern, pero para siyang fireworks. And it's numbered 60 out of 88 of Taylor Hendricks. Yan yung mga base cards niya. Let's check out yung mga base cards. We got si Colin Sexton, Lauri Markkanen, John Collins, Taylor Horton Tucker. We got another rookie card ni Taylor Hendricks. Sa international, this is actually the base card na lumalabas, no? Parang yung international kasi is a special set. So then we got si Bryson Sabo. We got we got yellow and red na Markkanen and yung base na Markkanen. So with this break, parang wala tayong nakuhang Jordan Clarkson. Pinaka-hit natin is actually yan, 2 rookie cards ni Keontae George. And yun, numbered card ni Taylor Hendricks. So for the next break or next pack, international ulit. Ito yung second round ng international. And we got si Bryson Sabo ulit. This time we got the yellow and red. And yellow and red Colin Sexton. And yun, we got a different card. So to explain yung parallels, so this is yellow and red, but dun sa nakuha natin last time, we got this one. So red naman na Jordan Clarkson. So there are different parallels for this card, and some of them are numbered. It's really difficult to complete a set kasi meron kasama siya, or may isang card siya. I think if not all, most have yung 1 of 1. So there's only one card of that kind of parallel. So yun, 1 of 1. Going back, we got another rookie card ni Bryson Sabo. 2 copies. We got Taylor Hendricks yellow and red naman. I think, yep, that's our first copy. We got Simone Fontecchio, is no longer with Utah. We got Taylor Hendricks, and we got another Keontae George card and another Colin Sexton. This time, yung yellow and red. So yun, so yung mga nakuha natin for the international, no, yung Donruss International. This one, medyo matagal na to, so not sure kung ano, but I think this is yung sinalihan natin na Topps Chrome. So si Topps ngayon is they're back into yung basketball cards, but if you'll check yung mga cards niya, walang team. So this basically focuses on the players and the city kung saan sila. So this Los Angeles, basically with NBA license or format is LA Clippers, but with this one, as you can see, naka uniform lang siya, almost same color ng Clippers, but wala yung mga logo, no NBA logos. With this one, that's Paul George. Now we have this holo of Russell Westbrook, our boosters. Then we got base cards. We got the base card of Russell Westbrook, James Harden, Paul George, Brandon Ingram. We got the Wilkins for Atlanta, Kobe Bobkins, rookie. Yung RC nakalagay, and we got DeJounte Murray. And for the last card, I think this one is a parallel, orange parallel na parang may texture ng bola. So yun, so DeJounte Murray from Atlanta. I'm not sure kung gaano kataas ang magiging resale value ng mga ganito, no? Kasi wala siyang NBA logos, but ang medyo ang panghatak ng market kasi ng Topps ngayon is they released a lot of Wembanyama signature cards or auto, also as well as LeBron James, kasi I think sa Topps sila naka-license. So if you check with Panini, there are no Wembanyama or LeBron auto recently sa Panini. So yun nga, but I think Topps is flooding the market with Wembanyama autographs or signatures, which is I think makakapagpababa ng Wembanyama cards from Panini, kasi most ng mga Wembanyama cards from Panini are just cards, and I think yung mga may mga patches or may mga jerseys yun medyo mataas din, hindi mga 1 of 1, but compared sa autographs, yun nga lang, I'm not sure kung mag-release sila ng mga on-card autos. Hindi pa ako nakahawak hands-on. Of course, nung Wembanyama medyo mahirap sila, and napaka-expensive na ng San Antonio Spurs ngayon na team, so hindi pa tayo masyadong nag-i-invest din sa San Antonio. But yun nga, medyo malaki impact siguro sa pricing when it comes sa Wembanyama cards, kasi yung auto nasa Topps lang, but yung mga patch and other with San Antonio ando naman sa Panini. So yun, guys, to wrap things up, I hope you appreciate. As you can see, we're sharing yung different cards. With this one from Topps, since wala silang license ng NBA, they can only showcase the player and at least the team color, but this is Topps re-entry sa basketball trading cards. And what we have here with the Panini International, so we got multiple copies of this one. Ko lang is, I'm not sure if you can see it dito, parang may print line dun sa taas compared dun sa others. So we got multiple copies of Keontae George, so this year's top rookie for the Utah Jazz. And of course we got another color nung Jordan Clarkson. For Donruss, we got multiple copies of Bryson Sabo and Taylor Hendricks, and of course mga base cards. But as you can see, as explained, then in different parallels, so we got a numbered card, different yung pattern niya. We got yung base card, yun lang, medyo yun na may print line dun sa taas, and yung yellow and red laser. So I said the same card, different models, or we call it parallel. And yun, I hope you enjoyed yung ating quick video, unboxing video nung ating loads na nakuha sa different box breaks with Papi's Box Break Group. So big shoutout sa mga kasama natin dyan sa Papi's Box Break. And with that, I would like to give a big shoutout sa ating mga members na sina BF Angel Mendoza in Seoul, Hampas Lupang Burgis, si Mimi and Yuki, and yung bagong channel niya na Junk Collab, and of course si Taste and Sip by Tesha. And also big shoutout sa ating mga kaibigan mukbangers, sa isang artist, content creators, bloggers, gamers, action figure collectors, and trading card collectors. Big shoutout kay Mami Belsato and kay Daddy HLJ. Yan sa mga kasama natin dun sa mga GC and mga supporters natin para dito sa channel. Big shoutout po sa inyo. And kung nag-enjoy kayo guys, please do leave a like and share na din. And hopefully, thank you for your support for growing this channel. And po kayo sana magsasawa sa pagsuporta dito sa ating channel. And please, if you enjoy it, please share na rin sa ating mga kasamang collectors din ng trading cards. And my other channel, Tower PH Gaming, a small channel na tinatry din nating i-grow. So hopefully support din niyo po yung ating channel na yun. And please, don't forget to support all Filipino content creators, YouTubers, and vloggers. And guys, maraming salamat po. Kita-kita ulit tayo sa ating po mga susunod na videos. Again, this is Albert Remo from Tower PH TV.